And then, oh, and it's done. So, yeah. Oh, good. We got a party. Did you guys think that you want to come forward, or did you guys think that?
Oh, go ahead. Yeah.
But she doesn't want to come ride. I like take pictures. No, I'm never going to go back in the car. She's going to all that stuff. I wanted a little bit.
I was going to just do one in the car. I'm just having a picture.